In this quick tutorial, I'd like to show you how to copy your pictures, videos, applications, contacts, messages, notes, and other data bits from one smartphone to another. First, go ahead and install the OnePlus Switch application on both of the smartphones. In order to do that, go to the Play Store on your Android phone and download the OnePlus Switch application. For this presentation, I am using OnePlus 6 on the left and OnePlus 7 Pro smartphones. OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 7 Pro already come with the OnePlus Switch application installed. If you are using one of these phones, just go to the Play Store, find the OnePlus Switch application and update it. Also, the OnePlus Switch application has to be installed on both of the devices. Once you install and then open the OnePlus Switch application, it will ask you to give it a full access to all of your data on your phone. The following several notifications that will appear one after another will ask you for permissions to various segments of your phone. After giving the OnePlus Switch application all the permissions, it will ask you to select either I am a new phone or I am an old phone option from the screen. Select I am an old phone if this is the phone you want to copy the data from. On this screen, select your new device, and in this case, it's the OnePlus phone. When this is done, the application will try to use the camera to scan the QR code located in the OnePlus Switch application in the new phone. Now go to your new phone and either download or update the OnePlus Switch application. Also, I'd like to mention that it doesn't matter if you start the process from your old phone or your new phone. In this case, we started the process from our old phone. This is the same notification that showed on the OnePlus 6 smartphone, and it is to let you know that the OnePlus Switch application will need access to your messages, calendar, user rights, and other information in order to migrate your data. They also assure you that they will keep your data strictly confidential. On this screen, I am deselecting the Don't Ask Again option, as I would like the OnePlus Switch application to ask me each time it wants to access any of my data, rather than it being able to access it at any time. On the following 8 screens, you will give the OnePlus Switch application all the permissions it needs in order to transfer your data from your old phone to the new phone. This is the same process we have already done on the old phone. On this screen, select the I am a new phone option if you would like to have all the data from your old phone to be transferred to this phone. From this screen, select your old device and indicate if it's a OnePlus, iPhone, or other Android device. We will be copying from OnePlus device. This screen is notifying you that you should have the OnePlus Switch application already installed on your old device. On this screen, you are seeing the QR code of the new phone that needs to be scanned with the old phone. At this point, both phones established connection with each other, and we can use the old phone to select the data that we want to copy to our new phone. I have selected all of my data, except of the pictures. I will copy them later via wire to my computer. Once ready, go ahead and tap Start. This screen is informing you not to close the application during the data transfer. If OnePlus Switch needs any of the additional permissions to copy the data that you selected, it will notify you about it and ask you for the permission, which is what you see on the screen right now. The data is now being transferred. At this point, the OnePlus Switch application has managed to copy over 1.5 gigabytes of data in less than a minute. If you slide your finger up on the screen during the transfer process, you will be able to see what is currently being transferred and what has already transferred. If you slide your finger down, you will be back to the main screen. Throughout the copying process, the application maintained the speed of approximately 1.5 gigabytes per minute. Once the process completes, both phones will notify you about it. Both of the phones show some temperature and are slightly warm. The OnePlus 7 Pro appears to be slightly warmer than OnePlus 6. Important thing to mention is that some of the applications did not transfer. You might want to go through them to verify which applications you may need to download. Also, settings such as alarm clocks did not transfer either, so if you rely on them, you will have to set them again in the new phone. Besides that, my custom-made ringtones did not transfer, and the data held in some applications did not transfer either. But pictures, videos, notes, contact list, messages, other data bits, and most applications transferred just fine.
This completes the tutorial on how to use the OnePlus Switch application to transfer data from one smartphone to another.